What's going on? I'm here today to explain this Python project that I have developed and the purpose this project serves. You can see, so we get video ID for each video, the subject that it was searched, title of the video, description, the tags, the URL, view count, like count, comment count, upload date, thumbnail, URL, next page token. This is for creating, iterating through and creating lists. Primarily is to create knowledge files for your custom GPT or for whatever it is. This is a specific use case I designed the program around, and it gets data from YouTube, all the video metadata, titles, comments, transcripts, you name it. It's all available using the YouTube Data v3 API. You're going to need a API key from Google, and then so we gather this information, and there's extensive functions for visualizing data, different correlations. I mean, more than welcome to add your own way if you're interested in. I threw a couple in there, and then all at once you can generate a single PDF containing all the graphical information from the graphs that you made based on the data that you gathered from the YouTube. Second most trafficked website, and it has a ton of data, and it's super rich. And now with LLMs, we're able to take that data and transform it for however you want, based on whatever is going to bring more value. So it's really the transformative value of LLMs using YouTube as a source for the data. The name of the project is YT Funk, short for YouTube function. So there's a couple main functions. There's loading data. So after you save data, it's save data, and it's the same semantics. So I tried to make a consistency in the semantics, and then whatever save file you want, .cfg. You're gonna want to make that .csv. And so those are the two main functions. You can load data, save data. Okay, so that leaves, well, how do you get data? Okay, and that is going to be right here. So the current function, there's several different functions that are responsible for searching. I'm trying to make a super search function that handles all possible use cases, but I haven't quite gotten there yet. So the next best one we have is get top videos. It takes a single string as a parameter. I'm planning on updating that today. I don't think it should be too complex, but I also, so you just, if you want to do multiple topics, you have to pass in a list of strings, each string representing the topic you want to search from YouTube. So right here I have some different SEO topics. We're going to get 20 videos. So that's it. Query and the amount of videos. I don't think that's in the right order. It is in the right order, okay? And then what we're going to do, once we get that, we're going to get all those comments. And then we're gonna save this to file. So we're just gonna call our save function, save video data to. There we go. And let's save it to. So I've been doing this quite a bit, and the organization I found that helps me is to use a root. So this one is just gonna be SEO 0. And then for every iteration, I use a number. I use the topic, the iteration, and then I'll also add. So this one has comments, so my flag for comments is C. So now I know this is the first iteration of this is the topic, and it has comments. Okay, and likewise, if I wanted to get transcripts, I could just call this, and then I would have transcripts. Okay, so I made it a little bit modular so you can kind of control what you want to get, so you're not like wasting, your token quota for data that you're not interested in. Okay, and we're gonna run this. Okay, so that was wrong. That's supposed to be .txt, and this is supposed to be .csv. Okay, now we can run this, and we'll see what happens. We might hit an error or two, a little brush up thing here or there, but see what happens. Okay, we're gonna want to expand this like so. And boom, that was super quick. So the data has been saved for, so the transcripts were saved for this one. This is the transcripts that it got from the column that was already loaded. Okay. So there's that aspect of it. And I just did this for debugging purposes. This is the get top videos function right here. So it processes chunks. So if you're trying to do like a lot of videos, it can chunk it up for you. Okay, there's going through here. Dealing with the next page tokens. Honestly, I'm not like 100% clear if my logic handling next page is accurate, but well, I don't think it's optimal. It's as valid. It's somewhat valid, but I don't think it's like optimal. Definitely needs a second pair of eyes. There's a lot of stuff going on in this program. So it's going through, it's handling errors, uploading the videos, 20 for each. It's reporting. So now it's searching for SEO strategy. It filters out duplicates. Now it's going through getting comments. This is strange. I wonder. Oh. So I guess there's videos that don't have data. Missing required fields. I'm gonna look into that. So the error I encountered with the terminal printing out all those warnings, it was because in this function, the get data from column, I didn't use the proper column name. And this function I'm pulling up is kind of shows you some of the baseline. This is all the baseline data you get. Anything you call extra, so like comments, transcripts, they're going to be stored separately, but comments are actually stored currently under comments log, or comment, is it comment log? Let's find out. It's whatever I put right here, comment log. So it looks like we got our data saved. And we're also printing out the comments, I guess. We're printing out the comments. And then save everything. So that's about it. It doesn't take too long. It does take a little bit of time, especially when you're gathering data from the server. Then we can go kind of check out some of these files to see what they look like. So there's this. This is the CSV. This is the data we just got from YouTube. Okay. Okay, I got this data into the data viewer and here. Part of the Jupyter extension, and you can see, so we get video ID for each video, the subject that it was searched, title of the video, description, the tags, the URL, view count, like count, comment count, upload date, thumbnail, URL, next page token. This is for creating, iterating through and creating lists. Then token timestamp. This was something I implemented. I'm not sure, 100% sure. I haven't like really drilled deep how important this is in the logic, but I was having issues with the next page token over like different time intervals. So I thought it might be wise to track like when it was gathered, because it might help. It just could be valuable in certain use cases when you're searching for videos over time. And then this are the comment log. This is the comment log that we got for each video. This doesn't initially come. You have to do comments and transcripts. You have to do separately.